Hello. We decided to go to Kimmswick just to see what it was like and have lunch at the Blue Owl. And we had a little detour there because of the flooding. We'll show you that in a second. That is normally the road we take to get here into Kimmswick, but as you can see, it is underwater, so we had to take a completely different way to get here. See how they built the levee all around the whole little city there. We're in Kimmswick. That guy seems to be safe. Not that he can go anywhere, but of course there's a car. Ew. The river is actually way over there, so it's up quite a bit. House back there. Ooh. It's the Anheuser-Busch Estate and Stables. Look. Sure how safe that is. I mean, it might look like it's above ground, above water, but not sure. Road to the left of that bridge right there. We were on the other side of that wall there. Is the Blue Owl. This would normally be farm field. There's usually something growing here. I'm not sure what it was going to be this year, but I think they knew there was flooding coming, so they didn't do anything. But it is close to the river, but normally it's not full of water, so